Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hidden investment fees can eat a lot into your returns, which is why in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to check for fees with Fee Analyzer on Empower. Now the first step, of course, is to access Fee Analyzer. So from your dashboard, you're going to click Investing and then go to Planning, and then you're going to find Fee Analyzer right there. And step 2 is to select accounts. So now you're going to choose the investment account that you want to analyze, like retirement or brokerage accounts. Next step is to review fee breakdowns. Now Empower is going to show you expense ratios, advisory fees, and transactions cost all in one place, and you can view them. Now the fourth step, of course, is to see long-term impact. Now just check the projected cost over time. Small fees today can mean thousands over decades. So of course the next step is to take action. Now if fees are high, you want to consider switching to low-cost funds or for negotiating with your advisor. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.